Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm testing out something that I bought ages ago and just didn't get around to testing, but it's back in stock and it's on offer at the moment. It is the Friends Makeup Revolution Beauty palette. This is the Limitless eyeshadow palette. It's £20, but it is reduced to 18 at the moment, which isn't the best saving, but it's a big eyeshadow palette, so it's still worth it. We'll see if it's worth it once I've used it. So it comes like this, It's like a metal tinny palette. Revolution Beauty have done they do collabs all the time, and they've done a collab with Friends, so there's lots of other bits that you can get. There's lip glosses and smaller eyeshadow palettes, like for the girls. All the girls have got their own eyeshadow palette, lipsticks, all different things. But I got a few bits, but this was kind of the one that I was most excited about. They're all vegan and cruelty free, and in here you have a huge mirror, and then this is the palette. So you've got eyeshadow, and then highlighters. I think it says on their website there's 3 highlighters. I really like the fact that the palette folds over, so you can hold it. I don't know why I like that. I just appreciate that that does that. I don't know why. It just appeals to me. So yeah, I haven't touched any of these. These are all brand new, and we're gonna have a little, I'm gonna swatch them all, and then I will do some kind of eyeshadow look today and see what we've got. But I'm gonna start by swatching them all. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. Vlogmas starts next week, and there will be one giveaway every single day of Vlogmas. There's stationery bits, there's a cross stitch kit, there's makeup, there's skincare. What else have we got? Some candles, some wax melts. There's all different things. So every single day through Vlogmas there will be a different giveaway. There might be some Friends bits in there. So yeah, you need to be subscribed and then sort of participate on the day's video. But yeah, let's jump in to this. So I'm gonna swatch this side first, then I'll do the middle, and then I'll do this side. So I'll tell you the colours as I do them. So I'll do 4 at a time. Ooh, they're soft. So I've got Ross, Chandler, ooh, and Joey, and then I've got Gunther. So we've got some boys there. Chandler has impressed me the most there. That looks really nice. Next I've got Carol, Emily, everyone hates Emily, Ursula, and Mr. Geller. Okay, Carol is the one that impressed me most out of those. The others are a bit meh. And I love Friends, don't get me wrong. Friends is it's iconic. It's one of my favourite things ever. I know not all the jokes sit well now, but I started watching it when I was 10 and I still love it now. Yeah. So the last row, ooh. Okay, we've got Marcel, which you can't see, which is a sort of gold. We've got Paolo, I'm going to Paolo there with, and then we've got Fun Bobby and Paolo look lovely. Next I've got the 3 highlighters. So we've got Ugly Naked Guy, Mr. Heckles, and Estelle. Ooh. So I'm gonna do my hand. Mr. Heckles, Ugly Naked Guy, ooh, and Estelle. Wow. And so we've got a pinky one, a champagne, and then a more bronze one. They are lovely. Most impressive them so far. Okay, we've got Monica, Rachel, Phoebe. Oh, it's not as good as I want it to be, and Ben. Monica's definitely the best out of those ones. But swatches don't mean much, to be honest, because something can swatch nice, and then it can be shit when it's on your eyes. So we'll see, or it can be a shit swatch and then be the shit on your eyes. So right, so we've got Emma, Richard, Mrs. Geller, and Julie. Who's everyone's favourite character? Who's favourite character? Barry, and then Mike, Mindy, and Frank. So they're quite nice ones, to be honest. Right, I'm gonna give myself up. Right, we're gonna dive in. For my base, I'm gonna go into Ben, which is just a really nudie nude. You literally can't even see this on my skin tone. it's a little bit of like, it's got a little tiny bit of like, I think if you had a deeper skin tone you might be able to see a little bit of like grey mauve, but on me it's just basically my skin. Then I'm going to go into Carol, which is kind of a terracotta kind of colour. There is a lot of fallout, like a lot of fallout. Like, look at Carol. A lot of fallout around that. I'm just gonna put it everywhere. No precision in my makeup, you know that. You know that. Just hope for the best. Alright, people who know what I'm like, tell me which colour am I going to go into next. Not like next, but like the main colour. You guys know which one of those colours. Pause it now, make your decision, and then tell me in a comment if you were right. So next I'm going to go get a little bit of a smaller brush, I think. Just a little bit of a flatter one, just to put some colour on the side. And I'm going to go into Paolo. God, that looks very, very pigmented. I'm a little bit scared. So I'm going to put this on at the edge. I live in the tiniest village. There's like 25, 30 houses. And then whenever I film, it turns into the M1. Oh, that is pretty. Paolo is pretty. So I'm just putting it on the edge and bringing it into the crease. Pretty, 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 pretty. I've got that on, so now I'm going to go back to the fluffy brush and just blend it out a bit. Right, we're now about to do the one that I want to know what everybody thought. Which one? PB. Orange. I love oranges. So much fallout though, look. Can you see? Let me try and get the camera to focus on that. Can you see how much fallout is on that? There is a lot. So just be aware of that if you do your base first. I'm going to put this on the right on the outer edge. And I'm going to just like pack it on. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Yeah, there is a shit ton of fallout underneath. Yeah, I've got it on a picture, so I'll insert a picture because that is a lot of fallout. So that's on. I'm just going to flip my brush around because it's a 2-inch, and this is like a more fluffy one. I'm just going to blend it and just bring the orange into the crease a bit and just soften the edge. There is so much fallout down here. I've just got a little bit of my muslin and I'm going to just wipe it with a bit of micellar water because there is so much fallout from that orange Phoebe colour. So much. Right, I'm gonna do a shimmer across the eyelid. I've just got a wet flat brush. I think I'm gonna go into Mike and then a little bit of Richard as well and see what that's like. Oh, it's pretty. Oh. Oh, I love it. Good combo choice, me. You could obviously cut your crease as well and then do concealer, which would make these more vibrant, but I've not got time to do that. I really like that. I'm gonna finish the under eyes just by getting a little brush and just running Paolo and Phoebe. Just do Paolo and Phoebe underneath. Mix them together. And then I've just got a clean brush and I'm going to go in with a little bit of Ben and Carol, the two sort of more neutral shades, and just run them to soften the edges. Okay, I'm gonna finish put some liner and some lashes on, and then we'll come back and we'll pick a highlighter. Right, the rest of my makeup is done apart from my highlighter and my lips. So highlighter, I think I'm going to go in with Mr. Heckles and a little bit of Ugly Naked Guy. These two. Oh, shitting hell. Okay. Whoops. Add some more. Oh my god. They are so pretty. Wow. Whoops. Let's just try and calm that down a little bit. Right. They are so reflective. It goes a long way on them. And then I thought to finish off the friend's face, I've got a lipstick. I've got Rachel. I haven't used these yet, so let's have a look and see what. This is like, I can't see anything. I can't see if it's focusing. Probably not, because my camera hates me. It's really pretty packaging. It's got some lips on the end. This is a kind of, looks like a mauvey. Ooh, pretty. There's some lips on it, if you can see that. Let's get it on and see what it looks like. I love it. Yes, purples and oranges get all over my face. So that was the Friends palette. Let me know if you got any of the Friends goodies or not, or if you want to win some during Vlogmas, because you never know. I'm really happy. I really like it. The only issue is there is a lot of fallout, but as long as you do your base last, you should be fine. Let me know what you think. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.